Thanks for joining my channel Pulse Educare. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Without delay, let's start. Can you recall what is natural resources? I have explained this earlier in the video. If you look at Earth from our space, the Earth is covered by water, air and land. Water, the Earth's surface is covered by 71% of Earth's land. The remaining 29% of the Earth's surface is land. Air, the Earth is also surrounded by air. This is because the Earth has landed water and air that support life in Earth. Today you will learn about the topic of air in the chapter on natural resources. Air, it's a mixture of different gases. Atmosphere, it's a layer of gases surround the Earth. Let's know in detail about air. Air is mostly gas. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and a few other gases. Some dust particles may also be present in it. Air is the invisible mixture of gases that surrounds Earth. Before we delve into the uses of air, let's discuss the composition of air. Air is primarily composed of nitrogen, which makes up around 78% of the air we breathe. Oxygen, which is essential for respiration, makes up 21% of the air. Carbon dioxide, which is essential for plant growth, is present in trace amounts. Finally, rare gases such as neon, helium, krypton, and xenon make up less than 1% of the air. Now let's discuss uses of air. Air has several uses in our daily lives, some of which we'll discuss next. Respiration. The most important use of air is respiration. We inhale air, which provides oxygen to our body and helps us breathe. Combustion is the process by which fuel is burned to produce heat or energy. Air plays an essential role in regulating temperature. When the air is hot, it rises and cooler air flows in to take its place. Carbon dioxide. Air is essential for plant growth as plants use carbon dioxide during photosynthesis to produce food. During this process, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen back into the air. It's also used in fire extinguishers. Nitrogen, the most abundant gas in air, making up about 78% of it. It helps with protein synthesis and ammonia production and is also used in airtight food packaging. Organ. It is most used of electricity uses. It fills light, bulbs, and lamps to protect the filament. Argon is the most common shielding gas for welding because it helps maintain arc stability and improves weld penetration. Other gases. Air also contains a small amount of other gases including helium, neon, methane, krypton, hydrogen, nitrous oxide, xenon, ozone, and iodine. Air also helps maintain the Earth's surface temperature by circulating hot and cold air. Properties of air. Air occupies space. Air is present everywhere, including water and soil. Air is transparent. Air is colorless, odorless. Air is essential for life on Earth. Move on. Atmosphere. Sometimes the word atmosphere is used instead of the word air. The atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the Earth. Protects life on Earth. No other planet has this. 5 layers of the atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. Stratosphere, the ozone layer, is the common term for the high concentration of ozone that is found in the stratosphere around 15 to 13 km above the Earth's surface. It covers the entire planet and protects life on Earth by absorbing harmful ultraviolet UV rays, radiation from the sun. Important role of atmosphere: sustenance of living world. Light and heat of sun can reach the Earth's surface. Prevention of harmful elements from reaching up to Earth. Hence, act as filter. Production of fog, clouds, snow, and rain. Air pollution. When harmful substance produces through combustion are related into air, it causes air pollution. Pollutants like smog disturb the balance between constituents of the air, which in turn causes harmful effect on living organisms. Causes of air pollution caused by vehicles, industries, other sources where incomplete combustion occur. Air pollution decreases day by day. harmful air pollutants, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, soot particles. This topic end here. For more videos, subscribe my channel.